So you've heard about ceramic coatings and you want to try to install a ceramic coating on your car by yourself. Can you do it? Yes, though I highly recommend going to a professional to get the best results when applying a ceramic coating. If you really want to try to do it yourself, doing research is key to finding the right coating that fits you and your car's needs. Now, there's a lot of coatings out there that deliver false promises and can even damage your paint if not done properly. You might not know that there's coatings specifically for paint, plastics, wheels, glass, fabrics, even textured plastics. So your task is finding the right coating for the surface you want to put it on. For now, let's talk about your car's paint. As you know, a ceramic coating is a liquid glass barrier that protects your car from bird droppings, tree sap, oxidation, chemical etching, and gives your paint a really nice depth of shine and gloss. There's 4 crucial steps to applying a ceramic coating to your car: decontaminating the car, correcting the paint, applying the coating, and leveling the coating after it flashes. You'll need a sponge for applying the product and at least 2 microfiber towels for the leveling process. The key to a successful ceramic coating application is to have an even coating without any streaks or high spots. Having a controlled environment is crucial to getting the best results possible. The last thing you want to do is install a ceramic coating on a contaminated surface. Working in small sections around the car is definitely the way to go. This will allow you to get an even coat and remove high spots as needed. But something I cannot stress enough is making sure that you properly decontaminate and paint correct the car before applying any coating at all. These will ultimately be the deciding factors that you get the desired look and allows the coating to perform as it's intended to. So there's the basics on how to DIY a ceramic coating onto your paint. My name's Adam with Ceramic Pro. If you have any more questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section.